Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Different type of stylized patterns of kurti embroidery designs have been used in this whole video collection. Round neck, bot neck, V-neck, different type of U-neck, crow neck, and many more embroidery neckline patterns have been shown. All you have to do is watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and beautiful ideas. The fabric base could be any as per your choices. Like you can use hand embroidered patterns for cotton, lawn, linen, blended fabric. Even you can use jacquard, light base, printed mediums. Even you can use warm woolen fabrics like corduroy, like khadar. Even you can use velvet for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. Simple, easy, and basic beginner-friendly hand embroidery patterns have been used. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos, and leave comments in the comment section so that we can get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Your constant feedback is the only thing or only key through which we can get idea that what you want us to share with you in our recent and latest upcoming videos. All of these video design ideas are totally user friendly, beginner friendly, hand embroidery artist friendly. Those who don't know the art of hand embroidery and just have started some basic hand embroidery stitches, then this video collection is absolutely for you because the whole embroidered neckline could be made by using one or two different type of hand embroidery stitches. So I hope that you are liking the design ideas, patterns, and styles of the today's video collection. If you really like the design patterns, then in the comment section, let us know which design you like the most and why. And one more thing, guys, we always do our best to make sure that we could reach up to the expectations of our subscribers. So keep supporting us, keep loving us, and we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intent behind making these videos is to share creativity and design ideas with you on daily basis. So thank you so much for watching.